Hey traders, I'm back with the recap of day 4. Now it's actually the morning after because yesterday I left my contracts open, and once again this is not something that is ideal, and it's just the nature of the business when you trade while you're traveling like this, especially with the time zone difference. It is what it is, you know, like it's not a perfect environment. It's not a perfect scenario. But I did make over $400 on my trades on SPY and IWM yesterday. So I'm not sure exactly how much I spent in the last couple of days, but it is certainly not more than $200. So I absolutely covered the cost of my expenses for the last few days because we had a weekend and then it was MLK Day yesterday, so the markets were closed. So as of last night trading, I completed my 4th trading day. First day, remember, it was just $100 profit on 2 contracts. The second day, I held it overnight because I was down at the moment when I went to sleep, but I had confidence that it was going to come back. So I left it on overnight, woke up, had a $1,200 profit the next morning. So remember, on day 1, I had a $100 profit, just trading 2 contracts, real quick in and out. Day 2, there was no realized profit or loss because I had gone to sleep when I had an unrealized loss, but I had a very strong feeling that we were going to turn around, and we did. So I left that on overnight. And on day 3, when I woke up, I closed all of my positions for a $1,200 profit. And that takes us to right now, day 4. And I did the same thing last night. You know, I left my contracts open overnight, woke up, and I see right now that I'm up like $400. So this is an unrealized profit at this point. So what I'm going to do now is I'm planning on tonight, when the markets open up for me, I'm going to take a look at where we're at. Hopefully we've gapped up even higher than, you know, yesterday was just basically like this all day long after the very initial sort of choppiness in the first hour or so. But if we gap up, that's great. I'm going to sell my contracts right away tonight when the markets open up. If we gap down, might take a little bit more work seeing how I play it. But as of right now, I'm up $400 on the day in unrealized profits. So unless something, you know, really drastic happens overnight or during the day for me, then my profit should be pretty much secure for yet another day. So yeah, everything's going good. I'm going to check in later on and let you guys know how trading goes for the next day. So until then, see you soon, everybody. Hey traders, we're back to talk about day 5 of the Travel Trading Challenge and let you know how I did. Last time I checked in, remember, I had unrealized profit of about $400, and I turned that into a realized profit yesterday of $600. So I closed 4 contracts on SPY and 3 contracts on IWM for a profit of just over $600. And I left 1 contract on, and my 1 IWM contract was losing me money overnight. So I lost money on 1 contract, but that doesn't matter because I think I'm down like $100 in unrealized losses. Compare that to the actual realized $600 in profit yesterday, and obviously that's no big deal. So probably going to close the one IWM contract for a loss when the market opens up tonight for me. I mean, it's possible that maybe we gap up and I don't actually lose anything or even maybe make a little money on it, but I'm not even worried about that one contract because, everything else has been going great. And this was even with the internet speed at the last place being, again, painfully slow, just like it was at the first place. I'm in a new hotel now, and I think the internet speed here is going to be better. Fingers crossed. But we'll see how that goes. But, so far, everything's working out. I mean, at this moment right now, I believe I am up in total. Let's see, my first realized day of profits was $100. My second day I carried over, so I had no realized profits or losses. My third day I closed for a realized profit of like $1,200. My fourth day had unrealized profits, and then that takes us to yesterday, where I had a realized profit of $600. So we've got 12 plus 6, that's $1,800. So yeah, about $1,900 total profit so far. Round trip airfare was $1,200. The car rides were $50, going to be $50 each way. So we're talking about everything over $1,300. The round trip airfare and the transportation's paid for. And I definitely have not been spending more than $100 per day. So at this point, I have successfully paid for the trip. And I will continue to do so unless something terrible happens, which I don't plan on. But I'm going to keep trading each and every day until the end of the trip, just to kind of see where we're at when all's said and done. And as you can tell, it's obvious I'm not being scientific about this. I mean, I'm on vacation, so I'm not going to sit here and break out a calculator and all my receipts and shit like that because I'm on vacation. I'm just ballparking all of this stuff. But I'm absolutely paying for the trip at this point. So just, let's see how it goes. I'm going to trade again tonight, and I'll be back either after the trading day this evening, or if not tonight, then tomorrow, and let you know how this next wave of trades goes. So see you soon.